Viewers, welcome to our lesson. And this is part 2 of our lesson where we discussed about finding the logarithm of a number using the logarithms of other numbers. So this is part B. The first one we calculated the log of 1,800. So this is part B where we are going to find the log of 2,160. So we are going to use the same method. Whereby this is the log of 2,160, and we are going to start by expressing this 2,160 in terms of 2, 3, and 5. So we'll use the same method by dividing this number. We are going to start by dividing by 2, which is the smallest. So 2 will divide this one as 1080. Then 2 again can divide 1080 as 2. It goes there for 540. 2 again as 270. 2 can again divide this as 135. 135, 2 cannot divide. This one, 3 can divide this one by 45. Then we have 45. This 45, 3 can divide 45 as 3, 15, then 3, 5. So which means we can express this 2,160 in terms of these factors. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5. So instead of this 2,160, this one is the same as log 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 power 4. Then 3 is multiplied by itself 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. So 3 power 3. Then 5 is only 1. So 5 power 1. So from the laws of logarithms, because the numbers are multiplied, we are going to add their logs. And you remember the power becomes the coefficients. So before we make the powers coefficients, let's just write it as log 2 to power 4 plus log 3 to power 3 plus log 5. So this power of 2 becomes the coefficient of log 2. So it is 4 log 2 plus 3 log 3 plus log 5. Then from there, we know the log of 2, we know the log of 3, we know the log of 5. We are going to substitute the logs. So instead of log 2, we have 0.3010 plus 3, we have 0.4771. That is the log of 3. Then the log of 5 is 0.6990. So this we are going to expand. That is, we are going to remove the brackets before we add the logs. So this one multiplied by 4, we are going to get 0, 4, 0, 2 carry 1, that is 1.201040. Then this one will be, this is 3. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21, carry 2. 3 times 7, 21. 21 plus 2 is 3, carry 2. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Then we carry 1 plus 0.690. So after getting these logs, we are not going to use our calculator to add. Let us use the FATCOM method to add these numbers. 1.2040. We had 1.4313 and 0.6990. So we had them using this FATCOM method. So 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3. Then 4 plus 1 plus 9 is 14. You carry 1, add 1 there. 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 9 is 13. Carry 1, you had 1 there. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 13. You write 3, you carry 1 forward. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 3. So this is the log of 2160. So the log of of 2160 to the base of 10 will be 3.3343. You see, we have calculated the log of 2160 to the base of 10 without using a mathematical table, without using a calculator.